Why, hello, Kitty White. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Yeah, I'm a little crazy. Now then. Alright, here I have two different Hello Kitty dispensers. So, very minor print difference if you look at the flower. The one on the left there, it has a little more dark blue paint, if you will. But that's not the variation here that I'm really going for. So when we look at the stems, the one on the left is made in Hungary. The one on the right, made in China. So that means both of the heads will have different head molds. When we look at the front, we don't really see anything, but when you look at the back of the heads, there will be these little differences here. So this part right in here, completely different than this one over here. So the one on the left, it has this little dip right here. And the one on the right does not. It's just completely smooth up and through here. And then this one has the dip. So there is yet another variation that is out there. And again, these mold variations exist in both of these dispensers due to these pieces of information right here. Hungary factory makes things different from the China factory, including these. So until next time. Yeah, I went crazy. Goodbye, kitty.